Good morning. I've got a Degustabox that came a week ago, and I took it to my mum's, and then we just forgot to do it because I was annoying her, and we played hide and seek, and I wouldn't come out. And so I just forgot about it, and then I've just remembered it now, so I thought I would better unbox it for you guys because I've had some people asking me for it. So Degustabox is a monthly snack subscription box. This is paid for by me. They did send me it in PR for a little while, but they didn't like my videos because I slagged them off all the time. So I said, don't send me PR anymore because they wanted me to change, but they wanted me to lie basically. And you guys know I don't do that, so let's have a look. It's £11-ish a month, I can't remember. Whenever anyone signs up, you get a code. So if you sign up, you'll get a discount code that you can give to your friends who'll then get, like, I think you get it for £5 or something. If 2 people use your code, you get a free box. So this is a free box because 2 of you lovely fuckers have used my code. So it's a free one. There's always a theme every month. 98.7% of the time, the themes are actual horse shit. And I always say it, they have a big wall of themes and then someone just fucking throws a dart and they're like, right, whatever we've got, that is what we're... Let's see if this month is any different. So you get a load of old shit. Home comforts, okay? That is quite a broad one. I feel like this one might be okay because home comforts, most things can be... Ooh, I can see a Kit Kat. Most things can be a home comfort. So this is a bit of a safe one. So first thing I've got is coffee. Nescafe Azera, £3.60, which is ridiculous for a teeny tiny pot of coffee. I won't drink this because it's got all the caffeine in, but I do like to have it in my house because then other people that can come around can have caffeinated drinks because I don't have any. So my mum will be very happy about this. We've got some rice, some Tilda rice, golden vegetable. I might have this for my lunch actually. I really fancy some rice now. Might put an egg in it. Oh, I'm hungry. I've not had any breakfast. So, can I have rice for breakfast? Possibly. £1.54, it's a random price. Golden vegetable rice has arrived. All-time family favourites with carrots, sweet corn and peas. 21% vegetables, the perfect accompaniment for meat, fish or vegetarian dishes. Do it in the microwave, 2 minutes. Lovely job. I've got something in bubble wrap. Is that a lady at my house? I'm waiting for someone to come and do an inspection of my kitchen so I can start selling cakes again. Oh, I had a burp then. It's not. Zest, vegan tomato and mascarpone sauce with coconut. I think it's meant to be mascarpone, but it's vegan, obviously. This is £2.99. Zest, we're all about the simple things in life. Good food, good times and good vibes. New pasta sauces create delicious classic meals in minutes without any dairy. They're also gluten and soy free. Might be nice. It doesn't sound gross. The other one was like, it looks like a pesto-y kind of one. So this will get used. I'll probably just chuck it on some pasta and it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Next. Oh, you got crisps. I thought it was banana chips when I saw that. It's crisps. £1.19. Are they having a fucking laugh? £1.19. That is a teeny tiny pissy little, that can't be right. We found a better way to make crisps by triple roasting them and never deep frying them. Let's have a look. Crisps are okay for breakfast, aren't they? They look like kettle chips. Quite got a bite, they're really crunchy. There's my breakfast. They're nice. Something else in bubble wrap. Very lazy chili boost. The chili boost range are oil-based condiments blended with chilies, whether to be used with pizza, pasta, rice, hummus, or as a dip. This is a very lazy hot chili boost. It doesn't. Let me dip a crisp in it. I don't want to spill it because of oil. I'm not going to scoop it because I don't want to be stupid. I'm just going to try some of the... I've got nothing. no heat. There's a nice flavour, but there's no heat. I've got some hummus actually. I might mix some of that into some hummus. That would be nice. We're going to do that later. I've got 2 drinks. Aqua Libra infused sparkling water. We've got blood orange and mango and cucumber. Blood orange and mango. There. The lighting is here and horrendous. And then cucumber, mint and lime. That looks gross. I don't like that one. It's the mint that puts me off that one. But I'll keep that in my fridge and I'm sure someone will drink that. They are £1.15 each. They're unsweetened. And just sparkling water. And then the flavours that are in it. Oh my god, you know I saw Kit Kats? I thought it was a Kit Kat. It's a fucking pack of Kit Kats. Caramel Kit Kats. This is just the perfect healthy breakfast. Crisps, some chili oil, and a Kit Kat. Oh, it smells really good. $1.99. Oh, it smells well good. I was going to be a psycho then and just bite it. But I didn't want to ruin anyone's day. I fucking love Kit Kats. Ah! Right. Bio and Me gut loving porridge. On the go handy porridge. Full of seeds and stuff. £1.50. Nice. We have got plant-based tomato soup. How else would it, why would it, what? Tomato soup is fucking plant-based. What are you putting in tomato soup to make it not fucking plant-based? What are they? I'm so confused. £1.70 for a tin of soup though, ridiculous. Heinz plant-based tomato soup is finally here. Go ahead and enjoy your classic tomato soup, but as a plant-based alternative. What are you putting in tomato soup to make it not vegan? I'm so confused. What were they putting in it? I don't know. There's fucking cardboard everywhere. We've got vegan baked beans and sausages. I love baked beans and sausages. This is basically what I grew up on because I was a right fussy kid, but not the vegan one. So I will. Let's just try one now. I am that person. I eat cold beans straight out of the fucking tin. I don't give a shit. I love cold beans. My mum is the same. And it grosses my brother out so much. It always has done. The beans smell the same. They taste the same. Can I eat these cold? I eat the normal ones cold. Vegan ones aren't going to hurt me, are they? Oh! Ah! That texture is horrendous. Oh my god, that's so horrid. Absolutely not. There's no reason for that to do. Nope. Ugh. Oh, it's just made my shoulders go. That was like this. Spongy. Ugh. Don't like that. We got a bottle of wine. A little plastic bottle of wine. £2.50. Super rich and full-bodied wine with flavours of dark chocolate coated raspberries with gentle oak. That sounds delightful, but I don't like wine because I'm not a grown-up. But I'll keep that and someone in my house will drink it. Not my children. Someone that comes round to my house will drink that. I'm going to eat the rest of my Kit Kat to remove the horrificness of those beans. That was the Degustabox. I think Home Comforts is a very broad theme, so they've managed to stick to it this time. Yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and I love you, bye.